Then new trends in welding in the aeronautical industries. Welding for aeronautics is growing. First outline. Fundamentals. Physics, economics, case study. LPW, EBW, FSW. Research at MIT. Analysis of trends. Ordering of welding process. Heat source. The source determine most properties of the welding process. Air, fuel, gas flame, electron oxidation, the flame ignite, friction, arc welding, resistance welding, oxygen cutting, plasma arc welding, electron beam laser. This intensity heat source determine the most of properties of welding process. The penetration increased diametrically, higher efficiency and higher welding speed. Interaction time of 0.3 seconds. Minimum human operator can do. Characteristics of aeronautical industries: low unit production, high unit of cost, extreme reliability, severe operating conditions. Joining process in aeronautics: bird's eye view, laser beam welding, electron beam welding, friction stir welding. The laser beam welding light amplification simulator emission of radiation beam. The concentrated heat source can be done in the open atmosphere. Use 318 ampere to 380 ampere. Laser unit, lens, workpiece, zonal sealed gas. The electron beam welding. Electron beam welding controller, electron focus coil, DC filament supply, anode, workpiece. The concentrated heat source must be done in the vacuum. Use F2 titanium. Friction stir welding, solid state process, no need for shielding gas. Use of ellipse space settle. Good evening. Electron beam welding, friction stir welding. Friction stir welding, solid state process, no need shielding gas. Use ellipse spacer shuttle. The electron beam, the concentrate heat makes the stronger weld. Electron beam and laser beam makes stronger weld than arc welding. The ionically strongest alloy are also the less weldable. This is because they obtain their strength from microstructure and heat treatment, and welding destroy those two. Concentration of heat cases less distortion. Concentrated heat cases less distortion. Electron beam welding and laser beam welding melt much less than other process. Much less polarization, less meteorological defects. Electron beam, gas tungsten arc welding. The solid state process have no solidification defects. No cast structure in fine grain. Friction stir welding can welded 7x stronger than 2x. Diffusion welding, bond line. Velocity, weight, money. The new trends welding aeronautical industries. The saving per pound light, the velocity. The pursuit of weight reduction, 10 to 5 tons lighter, 5 million fuel saving over lifetime. The weight reduction in small planes. Benchcraft are born 58. The weight of the aircraft 1395 kg. Ellipse 500. 1225 kg. Range increase for 4%, saving 7000 lp. The weight reduction in space 2219 a 1% Li, 7500 IB weight savings, essentially to the get to the ISS 75 million savings per launch. Weight reduction in engine, fans, machine titanium, composite friction welded, hot section friction welded in Iconel. Welding equipment is expensive. The cost of equipment is proportional to the intensity of heat source. The FW incredibly expensive that reason in the aerospace. The welding expenditure per unit 2.5 million. The welding expenditures they details the the graph. The proportion of welding expenditure, the aircraft manufacturing aerospace sector average, the labor, material consumption, energy, other welding related type of welding related expenditure, the proportional welding related production expenditure. Labor costs are high cost in aero industries, the aerospace, construction, heavy industrial manufacturing, automotive, average for all industries, electrics, medical, light industry manufacturing, capitalized repair and maintenance. The welding related production cost allocated to labor cost. Welding expenditures are smallest for aerospace, heavy industrial manufacturing, construction, light industrial manufacturing, aerospace, all industries. Automotive, capitalized repair and maintenance, electronics, medical, and aerospace. Welding expenditures are smallest for aerospace. Labor costs are highest in aero industries. Implication of the welding economics. Welder in aeronautics are highly qualified. Proportion of welding expenses are small. Large window of opportunities of process development, employment, cost of efficiency like the increase with scale. Laser and friction stir welding cheaper than riveting. The cost efficiency like increase with scale, laser and friction stir welding cheaper than riveting. The laser beam welding, the current A318 to A380. Riveting consumable 40% of man hours on stretcher. The laser beam welding cuts time by half 8 millimeter per minute. 8 meter per minute. The legs expensive few manufacturing steps. Legs corrosion, no holes, the crevice. The lighter, no sealing, stronger than rivets. Same fatigue life. New structure, the welding, the new structure first riveted, stranger people, varnish of premier coat, edge sealing, surface skin sheet unaffected welding on both sides simultaneously. Electron beam welding up to 2 at FAG 900 mm of EW 760 760 760 FW parts. Friction stir welding, ellipse 500, 65% of riveted joint equal to 30,000 rivet eliminated weld. Friction welding, friction stir welding. Structure electron beam welded 3 times of stronger, equal fatigue strength, better corrosion properties, riveting 6 in per meter, FW 20 to 40 inches, the savings aeroplane. The friction stir welding space settle, the GTAW VPA FW slows processing problems, stronger friction stir welding mode, friction stir welding, the FW faster, stronger. The research at MIT modeling, the new modeling techniques OMS order of magnitude scaling can be reduced number of experiments, can give of questionnaires, can be generalized numerical results, can be generalized the experimental results. Research MIT modeling, new modeling techniques OMS order magnitude scaling can reduce number of experiments, can give approximate solution of equation, can generalize numerical or experimental results. Research at MIT ceramic to metal jointing, TLB pattern interface. Research at MIT EBSF 3 bodies without mold. Startup semi mold technologies, the faster manufacturing, SSM SSF, SSM semi solid technologies, the SSF the semi solid die casting, the semi solid welding. The conclusion, friction stir welding is focused much attention. If Ellipse 500 is successful, friction stir welding will increase role in aeroplanes. Bowling might with friction stir welding rocked experience to airplanes. Airbus might review friction stir planes. For rockets, friction stir welding replacing fusion process, the variations of losing uphill. The end of the welding losing uphill Russia for jet engines, friction stir welding not ready to add titanium in super alloys. Linear friction welding used for military applications. Thank for Anandal, the case study, the aeronautical industries. Thank you, Anandal, presenting here. Thank you very much. The new trends in welding in the aeronautical industries. Thank you.